If you're a new DIYer or wanting to get started in DIY, then here's my recommendation of the first 3 power tools that you should be buying. A cordless drill, a sander, and a jigsaw. Starting with a cordless drill. Yes, cordless is a must for this one, and in particular, choose one with a lithium-ion battery. They charge quicker, last longer, and hold their charge so they're ready to use when you need them. Being cordless offers you so much more freedom without extension cables and still able to undertake most DIY drilling activities in your home or garden. You can drill in wood, steel, and even masonry with a hammer function, or you could use a multi-purpose bit for smaller masonry drilling. Most cordless drills are used as a screwdriver and a drill, so you're replacing 2 tools with 1. The next thing to look for is comfort. This is the tool that you will have in your hand most of the time, so choose a drill that is light, comfortable, and easy to use to ensure you have an enjoyable DIY experience. I really like this Ryobi 1 Plus drill driver. It's light, powerful, and it fits nicely in my hand. Other features to look for: the number of batteries that are included with the tool. Does it have a hammer mode? Is it a quality brand? And I always aim for the higher voltage batteries as they have more power. The next tool to get is a sander. This is where you cut out the hard work and elbow grease when sanding by hand. There are 2 main options here for DIY, an orbital sander or a random orbital sander. The orbital sander is cost effective and does the job getting into tight corners and smoothing out surfaces. If you want to save time, reduce effort and get a perfect smooth finish, a random orbital sander is the all-rounder one to go for. These sanders are far more effective in removing material quickly. They also move in a random orbital motion, which helps remove swirling and scratches, which is sometimes left by a standard orbital sander. They are more expensive, but most definitely make the job at hand more pleasant. I prefer sanders with adjustable speeds, allowing me to be aggressive on rough timber at higher speeds and more gentle at lower speeds for controllable fine sanding. Again, when selecting your sander, look for something light and comfortable. There's a good chance you'll be using it for extended periods of time. Corded options are affordable, light, and do a great job of sanding. Some of the key items to be aware of: again, the cord length. Longer cords mean no need for an extension lead every time. A dust management system to keep the area clean and tidy, and most importantly, choose a good quality branded tool. My recommendation for a standard entry-level orbital sander would be the Black & Decker. It's cost effective, has a 2-meter cord length, comfortable holding position, low vibration, and a good dust extraction when plugged into a vacuum. Looking at random orbital sanders, my vote goes for the Bosch guys. A long 4-meter cord on the blue and a 2.5-meter cord on the green. Very comfortable rubber grips, variable speed, and a microfiber dust extraction, so you don't need a vacuum. The third tool to get is a jigsaw. Now, a jigsaw is a very versatile tool that is often overlooked. It'll allow you to make cuts that the builder's cutting service won't do. Jigsaws allow you to make straight cuts, curved cuts, angled cuts, and even beveled cuts, covering all your home DIY cutting needs. These tools are light, portable, and really easy to use. A few things to look for when selecting a jigsaw are: again, a good cord length, so you don't need to use an extension lead every time you use it. A blower function to help clear the dust of your cutting line. A good feel and low vibration as you're normally cutting slowly to ensure an accurate cut. There are a wide range of jigsaws to choose. I like the Bosch the best. Although it's a little bit more expensive, it has a great feel, easy to use, and a handy toolless quick release blade change function. With these 3 power tools, you can get started on your DIY journey knowing that you have all the basics covered for a good quality set of tools to ensure you have a pleasant and successful DIY experience each time. For reviews on a wide range of tools, visit the Builder's website and check out the Builder's Fan YouTube channel.